Hi, it's Michelle here with Remax Results. I am a realtor here in Tucson, and I wanted to bring you some footage of some new construction that we have out here. The builder is Mattamy, and we are at the Saguaro Trails community. You'll see the homes behind me. These homes are starting in the high twos for 1,500 square feet. The biggest that they go is to 3,300 square feet, and those homes are right under 4 starting off. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and hit that little bell so that you get a notification every time we produce a new video. Just wanted to go ahead and share a little bit of where we're at and on what side of town. Saguaro Trails is off of Houghton. We are on the southeast side of Tucson, right before Vail and right around Rita Ranch. So my goal is to show you the different neighborhoods in Tucson, Arizona, in case you are considering a move out here. We do get a lot of calls from people relocating to Tucson, Arizona from other states. So if you are considering relocating to Tucson, go ahead and give me and my team a call. We get calls every time for people asking questions about living in Tucson. What's the cost of living out here? Who are the biggest employers out here in Tucson? And we love answering those questions for you. Okay. All right, so let's see which is this first model home we're gonna go into. All right, so this is a style called Mesquite. It's a Western farmhouse. This one is 2,600 square feet, and it's a 2-story. All right, so the nice thing is that they have sanitizing stations here. Here you go to go upstairs. Here's the first bathroom off to your right. And here is the kitchen. I always say that people buy homes based on kitchens and bathrooms. Here's the big pantry. I do not own the rights to the sounds in the back. It looks like they have a TV going on, just a little commercial about Mattamy Homes. Look at those beautiful countertops. I love these homes when they're staged because it really shows you the full potential of the house, what the living spaces are supposed to look like, how to occupy these spaces. See what this barn door opens up into. Look at this, it's an office. Wow, this is so nicely, this is perfect for kids that are homeschooling. Can you imagine just 2 of your kids sitting here doing their homework and their schoolwork? Look at these triple doors right here. Do y'all want to go outside? Wow. Look at this beautiful space out here. Again, this home is 2,600 square feet. And it's a 2-story. All right, I'm gonna go back inside and let's go upstairs and check out the rooms. I'll lock it, that's how it was. All right, so say bye to the kitchen and the living room, because after upstairs, we're gonna go out. Look at this loft. I love when new construction is staged. I know I said that already, but it just makes such a difference. Laundry room. Enough space to wash your stuff, fold it. One of the bedrooms. Oh. Beautiful. All right, here's the master. I was wondering, where's the master? Look at that beautiful bathroom. Double vanity, walk-in shower, separate bathroom with the door. And I'm sure that's a linen closet. All right, here's the master. This is a really nice size. Enough room for a sitting area. Looks like a king-size bed. And enough room in the closet for a his and hers. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it? The colors are beautiful.